Hey tea lovers! This week, for Tea of the Week, we are going to take a closer look at one of our naturally sweet and extra soothing teas, Organic Herbal Comfort. Organic Herbal Comfort is a blend of 4 herbs that aim to comfort and relieve stressors from the body and mind. The first ingredient we're going to take a closer look at is organic licorice root. Licorice root has the power to calm multiple parts of the body. Some of its benefits include relieving dietary stress, cramps, muscle aches, cough, and joint pain. Licorice root has a naturally sweet and herbal flavor. Next up is organic peppermint. Peppermint has been a long-time at-home remedy for a plethora of ailments, from headaches to bacterial infections. Its aroma is naturally soothing, and the flavor pairs well with the other herbs in this blend. The third ingredient is organic fennel. Fennel is an ingredient with strong anti-inflammatory benefits, along with supporting gut health, boosting antioxidants, and relieving cramps. Fennel has a similar flavor to licorice root and provides a soothing aroma. The final ingredient is organic holy basil. Holy basil is an effective sleep and relaxation aid, along with helping to open airways and improve breathing naturally. Studies have shown that holy basil is a great ingredient to fight stress and anxiety. It has a lightly spiced flavor with notes of mint and citrus. For our recipe today, I'm going to make an iced herbal comfort with vanilla cold foam on top. I'm going to start with a couple teaspoons of herbal comfort in my little teapot and add some hot water and allow that to steep for 5 to 7 minutes. While that's steeping, I'm going to add some vanilla syrup to some heavy whipping cream and froth that until it's light and fluffy. Once my tea is done steeping, I'm going to remove the leaves and then add some ice cubes to cool it down and make it ready for iced tea. All that's left to do is combine my 2 ingredients, so I'm going to pour some of my herbal comfort over ice and top that with my cold foam. This is a delicious and sweet way to enjoy this tea, but it's also delicious hot as well. I hope you enjoyed learning about our tea of the week this week. Most people use herbal comfort as a relaxing nighttime beverage, but it can be delicious any time of the day. It's caffeine-free, and I hope you'll recommend it to someone who you think would love it or give it a try yourself. All the links will be available in the description below, and I hope you have a great rest of your week. Bye-bye!